Now that you've cut out your pieces, you need to zigzag the edges in order for them not to fray. So right here I have the backs, and you can always tell the difference between the front and the back because this seam here where it looks like a J, a backward J, here is wider on the back than in the front. The J is a lot more narrow. Also, another way to check is that you have one notch here that represents the front, and on any back pieces at the center back seam you always have a double notch. So these then help when you are going to line them up and you don't have your pattern anymore. The other marking too that make sure that you have are these markings here. So on your pattern, remember they're here and here where you mark them with your chalk. So 1, 2, and make sure you do the exact same spot on the opposite side. So here and here on the back. And you do that on the wrong side of your fabric. My fabric doesn't have a wrong and a right, so just make sure front and back. So you line them up, match them up, and you make those markings on the front and the back. So now you're going to zigzag the edges. You zigzag here, the J seam. This is called the inseam, there, and this is your side seam. You do not have to zigzag the top, which is your waist, as well as the bottom here, which is your hem. So everything else is zigzagged and separately as well. So here are the pieces here.